So you just have to put them together. How do you say that? You know what I'm saying, just fluff it out. What's up everybody, this is Georgie Miller once again and welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to share with you this product review for this beautiful hanging basket. It is from Amazon. Great Amazon find, by the way. I just love the way this looks. It is lightweight. It looks pretty real to me. So nice looking. You can hang it obviously anywhere. I have it in my backyard. So actually it has endured about, oh my gosh, I bought this 6 months ago. The colors are still vivid. It has rain on them. The sun here in Florida is kind of brutal. Like today it's really hot. So I have not seen any fading on this product yet. The flowers still look good. Yeah, and for what I paid for, I'm gonna share with you later how much I paid for this, but if you're tired of planning, if you're tired of planting and your plants are dying or they're not looking healthy and you wanna make your space look beautiful and fool some people on the way, this will do it. I bought several of these. People ask me all the time what I do to my plants to make them look beautiful. I don't do anything because it came out of the box just looking like this. Actually, they ship it. This is gonna be packed separately, so you just have to put them together. How do you say that? You know what I'm saying, just fluff it out.
My accent here, oh my goodness.
So yeah, I think you got the idea. If you want something beautiful that is not gonna break the bank, you don't have to worry about watering them, putting any fertilizer. This will fool anyone, and if it doesn't fool them, you're gonna get a lot of compliments because it is so pretty. It is, again, so beautiful. For me, it looks real. It has fooled a lot of my friends already. And again, I love the fact that you don't have to put any fertilizer, any water. It holds against pretty much any type of weather. If you have a balcony, an outdoor area that you just want to enhance it a little bit more, that hanging basket is gonna be one of your favorite finds from Amazon. So let me know what do you think, and I cannot wait for you guys to try it. And by the way, this is a Georgie Miller approved check mark, and again, 5 solid stars. It is that awesome. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you'll be interested, below this video, you're gonna see the link where you can actually order the product from Amazon. So thank you so much for coming again here to watch my videos. And if you have any questions, you know what to do. You can go to the description right below and make your comments. And I hope to see everybody once again here on my channel, and enjoy your day. Blessings, spread love, no hate, and see you next time. Bye for now.